Welcome my students. Our lesson for today is vocabulary, course book page number 120, workbook page 50. Today we will talk about the correct order of describing words. Today we will talk about the correct order of describing word. So, today we will talk about the order of the adjectives. What comes before what? رح نحكي عن ترتيب الادجectives بالجملة. First, we have to know what is the meaning of adjective. What is the meaning of adjective? Adjective, my students, صفة. Adjective, صفة. Adjective, صفة. It's a word that describes a noun. It's a word that describes a noun. هي عبارة عن كلمة توصف الاسم. كلمة توصف الاسم. Look at this flower. Flower is a noun. This flower is pretty. This flower is pretty. It's a pretty flower. It's a pretty flower. Pretty is an adjective. Describe the word flower. Pretty هي عبارة عن صفة جميل which means جميل توصف الاسم اللي هي flower وردة. Okay? So, pretty is an adjective. Describe the noun flower. We have here another adjective, pink. This flower is pink. This flower is pink. Pink is a color and it's an adjective. Pink is a color, it's an adjective. So, adjective, صفة, describes the noun. So, adjective describes the noun. الصفة توصف الاسم. For example, as we said that, pretty and pink. Pretty and pink, they are adjectives that describe the flower. Okay. We have, my students, different types of adjectives. إن أنواع مختلفة من الصفات of adjectives. Number one, the size. Size, حجم. For example, short or long. So, the first type of the adjective is size. Size, حجم. For example, short or long. The second type of the adjective, النوع الثاني من الادجكتيف اللي هو الصفات, colors. الcolors عبارة عن adjectives. For example, red, green, blue, pink, purple, black. All the colors are adjectives. كل الألوان عبارة عن صفات. So, the first type of adjective is the size. نحكي عن حجم. Short or long, it's an adjective. And the colors are adjectives too. As we said that, red, green, blue, pink, black, white, yellow, all these colors are adjectives. The third type of the adjective is the age. Age, when we talk about العمر. So, the third type of the adjective is the age. Age اللي هو العمر. For example, old or young. Old and young, they are adjectives. So, size, colors, and age, they are the types of the adjectives. We have another types of the adjectives. Number 4, shapes. Shape الأشكال. For example, triangle, circle, rectangle, square, heart. All these shapes are adjectives. When we have these words in the sentence, لما تكون هاي الكلمات بالجملة بتكون عبارة عن adjective. Number 5, the origin. Origin اللي هو الأصل. For example, Italian أو Japanese, Jordanian. الأصل. Italian and Japanese, they are adjectives. Italian and Japanese, they are adjectives, and we have more examples. فين يكون أمثلة أكثر عن الأوريجين. Okay? The last two types of the adjectives, آخر نوعين من الصفات. Quality. Quality. The quality tells us about the kind of person or place or thing. So, the quality tells us about the kind of the person or the place or the thing. يخبرنا عن نوع المكان أو الشيء أو الشخص. For example, a beautiful place. A beautiful place. مكان جميل. Beautiful is an adjective. Beautiful is an adjective. Describe the kind of the place. يعني بوصف لنا المكان أو نوع المكان. مكان جميل. Beautiful is an adjective. The last type of the adjective material. Material هي المادة. When we talk about wooden table for example or plastic. Okay. المادة المصنوعة منها الشيء. Wooden for example table or here we have plastic. They are adjectives. So again, we have different types of adjectives. Size, colors, age, size حجم, colors اللون الألوان, age العمر, shapes الأشكال, as we said here we have examples, rectangle, circle, triangle, and the origin الأصل Italian, Japanese, Jordanian, okay, and the last two types, quality, describe the kind of the place, the person or the thing, يوصف نوع الشيء أو الشخص أو المكان, for example a beautiful place, and the last one is the material. Material for example wooden or plastic. Material هي المادة مصنوعة منها الشيء الخشبي أو البلاستيك for example, and we have another examples. Okay. The adjectives can't be written in any order. There are rules, so you should use the following order. Okay, my students, if we have these types in the same sentence, إذا في عنا هاي الأنواع من الadjectives في نفس الجملة، كيف نرتبها؟ هلا احنا حكينا إنه الadjectives can't be written in any order. There are rules, so you should use the following order. في ترتيب معين للadjectives حتى نكتبها بالجملة بشكل صحيح. What is this order? شو هذا الترتيب؟ Let's see. Look here. Here, this table show you the correct order of the adjectives. بيظهر لنا أو بيعرض لنا ترتيب الadjectives إذا أجا أكثر من نوع بنفس الجملة. Okay? So, these are the correct order. هذا هو الترتيب الصحيح للadjectives بالجملة. We start with the quality. Quality حكينا describe the kind of the place, the person or the thing. شوف لنا نوع الشيء أو الشخص. For example, juicy, beautiful, shiny. Then we have the size, حجم, age, shape, شكل, round or square, color, origin, material, and the last thing we have the noun. So, if we have different types of adjectives in the same sentence, إذا كان في عندنا أكثر من نوع من adjectives في نفس الجملة, this is the correct order. هذا هو الترتيب الصحيح اللي لازم أكتبه بالجملة. Quality, size, age, shape, color, origin, and material. And the last thing we have the noun. So the adjectives come before the noun. الadjective بيجي قبل الاسم. Okay, and this is the correct order of the different types of the adjectives. هذا هو الترتيب للأنواع المختلفة من الصفات. Here we have an example. Look, here we describe the carpet. Carpet سجادة. We describe the carpet. Look here, a beautiful, large. Beautiful is the quality, large is the size, new it's the age, round is the shape, red is the color, person is the origin, silk is the material, حرير. And the carpet is the noun, is the last one. Okay, so this is an example about the correct order of the adjectives. هذا هو مثال عن الترتيب الصحيح للadjectives أو الأنواع المختلفة من الadjective إذا أجت بنفس الجملة. A beautiful, large, new, round, red, Persian, silk, carpet. We start with the quality, the size, the age, the shape, color, origin, and the last one material, and the last word is the noun. Carpet, noun. The adjective comes before the noun. دائما صفات بتيجي قبل الاسم، الاسم بيجي آخر شيء. So you have to read and memorize this table carefully. لازم إنه نحاول ندرس هذا الجدول بشكل صحيح. Let's start with the course book, page number 120. Let's start with the course book, page 120. Dad had hung a small wooden swing from the branches of the tree. Where are the adjectives in this sentence? Excellent. Small and wooden. Small and wooden. Small, it's what type of adjective is small? إيش نوع الصفة? Excellent. It's a size. Wooden, material. Look at the table. Here we have the size and material. هذا هو الترتيب الصحيح. السايز before the material بيجي قبل الماتيريال. So we said small wooden swing. Swing is the noun, the last word. Okay. Another one. So here, when we use more than one word to describe something, we write the words in a certain order. لما نستخدم أكثر من كلمة حتى توصف الشيء نكتبها بترتيب معين. A certain order. بترتيب معين. And this is the order. Here is the order in which words should be written. We usually do not use more than 3 descriptive words in a sentence. بالعادة ما بنستخدم أكثر من 3 صفات بالجملة الواحدة للاسم. And this is the order that we should use. هذا هو الترتيب اللي لازم نستخدمه. وأكثر من 3 كلمات توصف الشيء ما بيجي في الجملة الواحدة. Again, quality, بعدين size, بعدين age, shape, color, origin, and material. And the last one is the noun. Here we will understand and answer the question with each other. So, here we have the question. Write the words in the brackets in the correct order. So, these are adjectives and different types of adjectives. هذه عبارة عن كلها صفات وأنواع مختلفة من الصفات. And we have to write them in a correct order. رح نكتبهم بترتيب اللي حفظناه هسه. أوكي؟ ترتيبها اللي تحدثنا فيه. Let's start with number 1. He drives a car. Car is the noun. It's the last word. آخر كلمة اللي هي noun car. Okay, here we have 2 adjectives, Japanese and shiny. Japanese and shiny. Japanese is an origin. Shiny is the quality. Shiny is the quality. So, Japanese is an origin and shiny is the quality. Let's go back to the table. هنرجع للجدول. Look, this is the quality and this is the origin. So, we have the quality before the origin. رح نبلش بالquality بعدين رح نكتب الorigin. So, the correct answer is shiny Japanese. Shiny Japanese car. Shiny Japanese car. طيب بدأنا بالquality. Then we have the origin. Number 2. Grandma made that cake. Cake is the noun and this is the last word. Cake is the noun and this is the last word. Here we have the different types of the adjectives. Chocolate, delicious, huge. Chocolate, material, the type of the adjectives. نوع الصفة هي material. Delicious, the quality. Huge, size. So we start with the quality, delicious, size, huge, and chocolate in material. So this is the correct order. Delicious, huge, chocolate, cake. What about number 3. Mrs. DeCosta wore a watch. Mrs. DeCosta wore a watch. Watch is a noun and this is the last word. Here we have different types of adjectives. Plastic, purple, beautiful. Plastic is a material. purple. Color, beautiful, quality. So we start with the quality as we saw the table, quality, the quality. Okay, then we have the color, and the last one is the material. Quality, color, material. Let's go back to the table. ورجعنا للجدول. هاي quality, color, material. Okay, so the correct answer is Mrs. DeCosta wore a beautiful purple plastic watch. Let's go to number 4. She was sitting on a sofa. She was sitting on a sofa. Again and again, sofa is the last word because it's the noun. آخر كلمة هي الاسم. And these are the different types of the adjectives. Leather, comfortable, and new. Leather, comfortable, and new. Leather, it's the material اللي هي الجلد. Okay. Comfortable, مريح اللي هي الكواليتي. New, جديد الage. So what do we start with? We start with the quality, excellent, comfortable, and here we have the age, new, and the last one is the material, leather. So the correct answer is this. She was sitting on a comfortable new leather sofa. Comfortable new leather sofa. We start with the quality, the age, and the material. Let's go to number 5. Tina wore a ribbon in her hair. Okay, ribbon is the noun and this is the last word. هاي آخر كلمة هي noun. Let's go to the adjectives. Here we have yellow and bright. Yellow and bright. Bright is the quality. ساطع. Yellow is a color. الأصفر. So we will start with the quality and then we will write the color. Quality, then we have the color. So the correct answer is a bright yellow ribbon in her hair. Okay? Bright yellow. Quality, then we have the color. Let's go to number 6. She made a garden. She made a garden. Garden is the noun and this is the last sentence, the last word in the sentence. Here we have the adjectives, pretty and little. Pretty and little. Pretty is the quality. Pretty is the quality. Describe the kind of the garden. توصف الحديقة. And little is the size. Little, قليل, size. So we will start with the quality. Then we have the size. Pretty little garden. Let's go to number 7. Mr. Adams bought a carpet. Carpet is the noun and this is the last word. Here we have different types of adjectives أنواع مختلفة من الصفات. Blue, virgin, lovely. Blue, virgin, lovely. Blue is the color, virgin is the origin, and lovely is the quality. So we have quality, origin, and color. Let's go back to the table. We will start with quality, color, then the origin. Okay, so this is the answer. A lovely virgin, a lovely blue virgin carpet. A lovely blue virgin carpet. The last one, this blanket keeps me warm. This blanket keeps me warm. Blanket is the noun and this is the last word in the sentence. اوكي رح تكون قبل او رح تكون بعد الصفات. This okay new thick red. New thick red. Thick is the quality, new is the age, red is the color. What is the correct order? We will start with the quality, then we have the age, and the last thing we have the color. So this is the correct order. Thick new red. This thick new red blanket keeps me warm. Quality, age, color. So these are the answers for question A in page number 120. Let's go to the workbook. Okay. Write the words in the brackets in the correct order. Here again, we have different types of adjectives and we have to write them in the correct order. عندنا أنواع مختلفة من adjectives من الصفات نكتبهم بطريقة صحيحة. I will answer the from 1 to 4. راح أجاوب من 1 ل 4 and then you have a homework from 5 to 8 to evaluate your تقيم نفسك. Number 1. Mother bought a watermelon. Mother bought a watermelon. Watermelon, it's a noun. البطيخ. Watermelon is a noun. البطيخ. Okay. We will order the adjectives. راح نرتب الصفات قبل الnoun. Round, big, juicy. Round, big, juicy. Round is the shape. هذا هو نوع الصفة. هي عبارة عن شكل. Shape. Big size. عبارة عن حجم. Big. Juicy, it's quality. So, what is the correct order? We will start with the quality. Then we have the, let's go back to the, so we have the quality, then we have the size, and then we have the shape. Hey, quality, size, shape. So, this is the correct order. Quality, juicy, size big, round, V-shape. Okay. Juicy, big, round watermelon. Jessica has a kitten. Jessica has a kitten. Kitten is the noun, and here we have the adjectives. Little, cute, white. Little, cute, white. Little is the size. Cute is the quality. White is the color. هذا أنواع adjectives. We will start with the quality, then we have the size, and the last one is the color. Here. Jessica has a cute little white kitten. Cute little white kitten. Let's go to number 3. The clouds looked frightening. The clouds looked frightening. Here we have black, it's a color. Stormy, it's a quality. Big, it's a size. We will start with the quality. Stormy, the quality. Okay. Then we have the size, and the last one is the color. Stormy, big, black, clouds looked frightening. Let's go to number 4. He has hair. Curly, brown, long. Curly, brown, long. Curly is the quality. Brown is the color. Long is the size. So, curly, long, brown, color. This is the correct order. Quality. Size and color is the last one here. And hair is the noun. This is the last word. Okay. My students, you have to do number 5, 6, 7, and 8 to evaluate yourself. تقيم نفسك. حل من 5 إلى 8 بنفس الطريقة. حدد نوع adjectives, the type of the adjectives, and then write them in the correct order as the table. من الجدول حاول إنك ترتبهم بطريقة صحيحة. She wore a dress, pink, beautiful, long. These are the adjectives. حكي نحدد نوع the type of the adjectives and then write them in the correct order. The tree came crashing down, huge, oak, and old. These are the types of the adjectives. They survived a or an storm, ice, big, or wild. Here we have a or an لأنه حسب الكلمة اللي راح تبلش فيها. إذا بلشنا ببig أو wild راح تكون a، وإذا بلشنا بice راح تكون an. You remember that we use a with the consonant letter. نحن نستخدم a مع الأحرف الصحيحة وan مع الvowels. Okay, so if we start with big or wild, we said a. If we start with eyes, an. The last one we had a or an. Again, here we have a or an. Pizza for dinner. Italian, round, tasty. Here we have a or an. If we start with round or tasty, we will start with a. And if we start with Italian, we said an Italian. So number 5, 6, 7, and 8, these are homeworks. Let's go to the next page of the workbook, page number 51. Page number 51. Here, use the descriptive words to write sentence describing each word below. Descriptive words الادجectives. Descriptive words هم الادجectives. الكلمات اللي بتوصف الاسم بسميها adjectives. To write a sentence describing each word below. Here we have the noun. معطينا الاسم. Okay. And here we have the descriptive words اللي هم الادجectives. Long, gloomy, gray. Long, gloomy, gray. بنكتب بس جملة بسيطة باستخدام هاي الادجectives والاسم موجود عندنا. Okay. Long is the size, gloomy is the quality, gray is the color. Okay. We will start with the quality, then we have the size, and then we have the color. So this is the sentence. It was a gloomy, long, gray afternoon when I met my friend. Okay. It was a gloomy, long, gray afternoon when I met my friend. And this is the correct order of the adjectives. Quality, size, and color. Number 2, the noun is tree, and the descriptive words is willow, graceful, and tall. Willow, graceful, and tall. We will start with graceful, then we have tall, the size, and the last one is the willow, and this is the correct order. Here we have the correct order. The branches of the graceful, tall willow tree swayed gently in the breeze. Graceful, tall willow. Quality, and here we have the size, and this is the type of the tree. هاي نوع النبتة نبتة الصفصاف. Number 3 and number 4, these are homeworks again. You have to write a very short and simple sentence. وتكتب جملة كتير بسيطة باستخدام descriptive words بهاي الكلمات، واللي عندك الnoun اللي هو هنا folk tale, short, interesting, and animal. And here we have the noun is flowers, and the descriptive word the adjectives pretty, yellow, tiny. Again and again you have to write these adjectives in the correct order. So answer number 3 and number 4 alone, my students, and thank you very much.